Hello friends, welcome back to another problem, and this problem is inspired from the previous problem. In the sense, whenever we take a problem in JEE or any competitive exam or from NCERT textbook or any other textbook, we have to see is there similar problem that we can do by tweaking some of the things. For example, last problem they asked the same question with time ratio. Now let us see with the distance ratio, how much displacement has happened. So the question is the same as last one, but I've changed the distance here. A scooter accelerates from rest for a distance of s1 at a constant rate a1 and then retards at a constant rate a2 for a distance s2 and then comes to rest. The correct value of s1 by s2 will be, okay. Here the problem, as explained in the last one, it is going, the scooter starts from rest, okay. The scooter starts from rest, so u is equal to 0. It reaches a maximum velocity v, okay, and while doing so it accelerates at a1 rate and then it decelerates at a2. So a2 is actually negative, okay, and then at the end it comes to 0, okay. Now in this, what would be the distance traveled? We are going to use the one which has only velocities, acceleration and displacement, which is this equation, okay. And in this, let us isolate our distance. So s would be equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a. So let us have s1 is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a1, right, and s2 is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a2. Now here observe v and u, the difference between v and u is the same. Here it is, in this case it is v square minus u square, and u square will go to 0, and v square minus 0 I will say, and here it is 2a1. In this case it would be v would be 0 minus u square, u would be actually v, and divided by 2a2, but a2 is negative, so negative gets cancelled there, so we will have this as v square by 2a1, and this would also be equal to v square by 2a2. Here I have there is a negative here, but I have cancelled because this we have taken it as retardation, right? So if I say s1 by s2, it will be nothing but equal to v square by 2a1 divided by v square divided by 2a2, and this would come to as a2 by a1. So s1 by s2 would be equal to a2 by a1. So more distance will be traveled if the retardation is less, okay, which is very intuitive. You think about it, it's very simple one, that if you accelerate faster, the distance traveled will be less. Similarly, when you accelerate faster, the time required to accelerate will be less, right? If you accelerate slower, then time required for acceleration will be more. Similarly, distance covered will be more. So distance and time, more the time taken to accelerate, more the distance traveled, right? So this is how we have to take, okay. So the answer is C. I hope you have enjoyed this, students. Happy learning.